Hey, this is Carmen with Get Educated. Today we're going to be replacing the glass touch sensor for the Ainsworth A600 button deck. Let's get it done. Before we begin, it is important to follow the ESD safety procedures. If you don't know what that is, or you just need a refresher, there's a link in the description below. The tools that you'll need are a No. 2 Phillips head screwdriver or bit, and a box cutter. We suggest a container or magnet to hold the screws. Place your button deck on the ESD mat. Using your No. 2 Phillips head, unscrew the one screw covering the AD board. Remove the AD board casing and unscrew the 4 screws from the main casing. Then, remove the 4 screws securing the AD board, starting with the screw connected to the grounding wire. Slightly shake the panel free in order to remove the casing. Carefully remove the 2 tails by lifting the locking mechanisms. Then, remove the 2 screws on each side that's connecting the sensor to the panel. To separate the panel from the glass, use the box cutter to slice between them all the way around the unit. Remember to use caution by always cutting away from and never towards yourself. Remove the panel from the touchscreen and discard the damaged glass touch sensor. Always be careful when handling any broken glass. Place the new glass touch sensor on the ESD mat. The new touch sensor doesn't need new adhesive to connect the panel. However, if you would like to add double-sided tape, now would be the time. Go ahead and place the unit onto the new glass touch sensor. Then, insert the 2 screws on each side of the panel to attach it to the touch screen. Attach the tails using the locking mechanisms. To replace the main casing, carefully slip the AD board through the opening of the casing and set it in place. Beginning with the bottom left screw securing the grounding wire, connect the AD board with 4 screws. Then, replace the 4 screws to secure the main casing. Attach the cover over the AD board with the last screw. And that's all! Your Ainsworth button deck is repaired and ready to play. Please remember to like and subscribe for more. To purchase either the glass touch sensor, GETT Part 3340H, or the full panel, GETT Part BP113 for the Ainsworth A600, follow the links in the description below. Until next time.